Good morning, my dear class 4 children. Welcome back to our science class. Are you all remembering what all things I said about taking care of our teeth? Yes? Yes, we completed our lesson, Teeth and Microbes. Shall we move to a new lesson? We are starting with our third lesson from our Term 2A textbook. What's the name of the lesson? That is Air, Water and Weather. Have you heard about these three terms? Air, water and weather? We will see each of it in detail. Children, every day is same. Whether we are having same condition around us every day? No, isn't it? Some days it will be very cloudy. Some days it will be rainy. Some days it will be hot. It will be cold. Some days it will be windy. Why? These are the different conditions of the atmosphere around us, isn't it? Yes, it is called as weather. It is called as weather. So what is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. Of a place at a particular time. So what is weather? Weather is a condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. So there are many factors which will affect this weather. Can we see which all are the factors? Yes, temperature, wind, air pressure. Then we have so many factors. Then we may have moisture. Then we may have the clouds. All these are responsible for the changes in the weather condition. But there is one thing which will affect all these. Do you know what it is? Yes, it is the sun. It is the sun that influences all these factors and which causes different types of weather. So let us see what is the role of sun in the weather changes. Now let us see the role of sun in the weather changes. We told that sun plays an important role in the different weather conditions, in the different climatic conditions. Let us see how. Yes, the sun and the movement of the earth plays an important role in this weather changes. Which are the two movements of the earth? Yes, we have studied in social science, isn't it? Yes, earth is having rotation and revolution. The movement of the earth in its own axis, that is rotation. Then movement of the earth around the sun, that is revolution. Because of this rotation, what we are getting? Because of the rotation of the earth, we are having day and night. So the part of the earth that is facing the sun will get the sunlight and hence we are getting day. So the other part which will not get the sunlight, it will be having night. So because of the rotation, we are having day and night. You have studied this, isn't it? Now tell me, because of revolution, what we are having? Yes, because of the revolution of the earth, we are having different types of seasons. While revolving the earth, the part of the earth which is nearer to the sun will be having very hotter and longer days. And which season it will be having? It will be having summer season. Yes, the other part which is not away from the sun will be having colder or shorter days and will be having winter season. You know that the weather will be changing from every day. It will be changing from hour to hour. Every day, throughout the day, whether the weather is same. Have you noticed the difference? When you are waking up in the morning, how it will be? Nowadays it is little cold also, isn't it? But whether it is same during the noon time? No, during noon time, how you will feel? Oh, you are feeling that you are too hot. You are feeling very hot. Why it is happening, you know? Yes, in the mornings or when the sun rises or when the sun sets, the sun rays are slanting. The rays of the sun are slanting. So mornings and evenings, it is not so hot. it is little bit cool. But during the noon time, where is our sun? Is directly on top of us, isn't it? Yes, the sun's rays will be falling directly on the earth. So because of that, what is happening? Noon time, it is the hottest time of the day. So if somebody is asking you why it is hot during the noon time, you can say that sun's rays are falling directly on the earth. Hence, we are having the hottest time during noon. So clear about the main influence of sun, about the weather changes. Next one, we know that sun is the main thing which causes wind. We have heard about wind, isn't it? Let us see how it is happening. Yes, the sun heats the air near the land. So all around us we have air, isn't it? So what the sun will be doing? The sun heats the air near the land. Then after that, what happens? Yes, the hot air spreads, and after spreading, it will become very lighter. It will become very lighter. So this light and hot air rises up. This light and hot air rises up. And what is happening after that? After that, the cool air flows down to take its place. So hot air is rising up and cool air flows down to take its place. This movement of air, this up and down movement of air, what is it called? It is called as wind. It is called as wind. So tell me, what is causing this wind? Who is causing this wind? Yes, so the sun causes the wind. So you understood one more influence of the sun, one more role of the sun for the changes in the weather. Yes. The next role of sun in this weather changes is sun causes humidity. The sun causes humidity. Whether humidity is a new term for you? Yes, isn't it? I will tell you what is this humidity. The sun heats up the water on the earth, and if the water is getting heated up, what will happen? Yes, it will change to water vapor. So everywhere we may have this water and all. So because of the sun, this water is getting heated up and it becomes water vapor. Now see children, the amount of water vapor present in the air. We have air all around us, isn't it? So the amount of water vapor present in the air is called as humidity. What is it? Humidity. So who is causing this humidity? Yes, so sun causes humidity. See, when it is very hot, how you will feel? You will be sweating a lot, isn't it? Yes, water will be coming out from your body. You will be sweating a lot. After some times, what may happen? Yes, your sweat will be evaporated out and you may feel a cool feeling, isn't it? But sometimes, when the air is humid means what? When there is too much of water. So too much of water in the air already. Suppose there is too much of water already in the air. What may happen? The sweat which is produced, it will not be going away from our body. So at that time, what you may feel? Yes, your dress will be sticking to your body. You may feel very uncomfortable and all. We are experiencing that thing, isn't it? Sometimes you might have heard your parents, oh, what a hot day today it is. It is too hot. You may have heard these things, isn't it? So because of what we are having this feeling? Because of the humidity. What is causing this humidity? Yes, it is the sun that causes humidity. So what is humidity? The amount of water vapor present in the air. It is called as humidity. So we saw many things today. What all things did we see? Yes, first we saw what all things are, which are the main factors affecting this weather. First we saw what is weather and the main factors which is affecting this weather, which is the main thing which will cause all these changes. Yes, it is the sun. Then we saw how sun is causing these changes because of the rotation of the earth, because of the revolution of the earth, and because of this rotation and revolution of the earth, sun is also an important factor. Then sun causes wind. Then we saw sun causes humidity. Did you understand these things? Now what you have to do? Yes, take your Term 2A textbook, turn your pages and take our Term 2A textbook, Air, Water and Weather lesson and read the portions which I have taken today. Okay, will you please do it? Yes, be thorough with this topic. Okay, we will meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.